Hello everyone, it's me again, Pencil the artist, and I will explain to you why is it my logo is this kind of bird. Actually, I do love birds and I do love photography. And that bird that I'm talking about is we call it egret bird. And I choose egret bird as my logo because egret bird is a migratory birds, and being a migratory birds, these are the birds who loves to migrate to different places. Plus, I really love the way they fly. And actually, I was really amazed on their beauty, and this is the reason why I took a lot of pictures of it. So here are some of the pictures that I took in our village, and it is really hard to take a picture of egret bird because they are they move so fast. And good thing that I have a telephoto lens. Okay, and for me, egret bird is the most beautiful bird that I've ever seen. And as an egret bird, I'm a type of person who likes to fly away to, to mingle with different people. Okay, so that's why I choose this logo, egret bird. And what else? I'm I really love to have this kind of birds, but unfortunately, this is endangered species. So much better, to let these birds to be in the wild, you know. And I hope you enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel.